Now, the same person who had done the previous design I had shown has come up with an upgraded version of it. On Thingiverse, it is 200895. And I've already got this one pretty much assembled, but I did print it in different colors so it's easier to identify parts. Here we have the X track, which is similar to what we saw in the other one. And then this assembly does the Y, and it has the motor for the X. So here we have the two little servos. One does X, one does Y, as you can see by my lovely labeling. And it all kind of fits together with this crazy snap fit. Very clever design on this, how they've have the slot there and different parts. Very neat. And then you have the two gears at the bottom. One does X, one does Y. And I used a little set screw that comes with the servos to hold it in place. So this unit goes like this, and as in the other one, it's going to slide back and forth for X, and then this way and this way for Y. I can't actually do it because the motors are in place, and I don't want to break the motors. So this was another interesting take on it. What he also had done, or she, I think it's a he, but you can never tell on the internet, is they have an X. Well, let's say, I'm sorry, a Z. A Z I would not use for my microscope probably, but for the pen project, for the drawing, again, this is another kind of a drawbot sort of thing. They have that one there, which will be held in place with a zip tie, and this will go up and down. And the idea is you would rubber band or zip tie or whatever the marker to this little orange pinion or rack. I always get rack and pinion confused. I think this part's the rack. This is the pinion. Just like in your car. Rack and pinion steering. It's the new thing. So, there's your Z. This design, compared to the other one, feels more stable. It's a lot less loosey-goosey than the other one is. I have not powered it up, though, so I don't know how accurate it is. That is my next project this morning, is wiring up a test circuit to drive these servos so we can actually see it in action.